The following quilt patterns are now available as a free PDF pattern in 5 quilt sizes: baby, throw, twin, queen, and king. I will have the links down below in the video's description for both the videos, in case you missed them, and the PDF patterns, of course. There will be much more to come.